Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you this simple yet delicious chicken salad recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now let's get to it. We're going to cut up 2 rotisserie chicken breasts, If you would like to see how I prepare oven roasted chicken, please be sure to check out the video. The link will be in the description box. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 1 cup of mayo and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add a cup of minced carrots, onions, and celery blend. And there you have it, a quick and easy chicken salad recipe with rotisserie chicken. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.